The top 5 best kitchen trash cans recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Simply Human 45-liter rectangular kitchen step trash can. Simply Human stainless steel rectangular step can features an innovative liner pocket that stores and dispenses liners from inside the can for a faster liner change. The stainless steel liner rim grips the liner and keeps it hidden. And with no inner bucket, there's more space for trash. Strong plastic pedal is designed to last, and with the pan and lid shocks technology ensures a smooth, silent close of the dent-proof plastic lid every time. Kodam liner refill packs store perfectly in this can's liner pocket. Recommendation number 2. iTouch Soft Step 13.2 gallon step trash can. 50L/13.2 gal soft step stainless steel step trash can. Soft step is the smoothest, most sophisticated step trash can you will ever own. The ergonomically designed pedal requires minimal force to operate. The gentle lid close is smooth and silent. The elegant, brushed stainless steel finish is fingerprint-proof and smudge-resistant, making Soft Step the perfect kitchen trash can. The easy-to-replace air damper means this step trash can will provide years of like-new performance. It has a slim, space-saving design. Recommendation number 3. Carry home small kitchen garbage can with lid. Countertop compost container sturdy, stylish and sleek design complements any decor so that this small kitchen compost bin can sit conveniently on your countertop or wherever you need it. Multiple uses garbage bin. Our small trash can work great with reusable grocery bags. Suitable for kitchen, bathroom, RV, laundry, etc. Space-saving and environmentally friendly garbage can. Indoor compost bucket measures 6.9 x 8.3 x 9.6 high. 1.3 gallon/5 liter capacity. Made of sturdy and non-toxic plastic. Recommendation number 4. Amazon Basics 50-liter/13.2 gallon soft close. 50-liter/13.2 gallon rectangular stainless steel trash can with manual foot lever. Soft close lid reduces noise from opening/closing and extends product lifespan. Fingerprint-proof, smudge-resistant, and durable stainless steel exterior. Heavy-duty plastic interior bucket can be easily removed for convenient waste disposal. Lid features a stay-open mode to easily remove and replace garbage bags and dispose waste. Recommendation number 5. Summix Dual Trash Garbage Can. With 2 sections side by side, you can sort the rubbish with a simple toss. All you need to do is to step on the pedal to open the lid, and now you have your hands free to throw away the recycling. If you get tired of cleaning up the mess that your naughty husky or kid leaves you after they overturn the garbage basket, then this sturdy bin with lids is perfect for you. It can't be opened without first using the pedal. Color: silver. Material: powder-coated steel bin. PP plastic inner bucket. ABS plastic lid. Product size: 23L x 12.6 W x 25.6 H.